Hey Spread World, it's Rob, and I'm back in Wheeling, West Virginia to go pick up the extra and take it down to Palatka, Florida for its annual so we can get it to Oshkosh and see you fine folks over there. So, let's fire this thing up. Oh, that's terrible lighting. Okay, all getting fueled up here, all cleaned up. We got the windscreen, canopy cleaned, got that done, raised, finishing putting fuel in the thing. And we're gonna head on down to Palatka, take off out of here and make our way a little bit further. Now this is a little bit of a different trip because this airplane is out of annual. So we had to get a special flight permit issued by the FAA in order to get the airplane down there. It's better to just not let your airplanes go out of annual, but if they do, you do have some tools that you can use to get the airplane where it needs to be to get that maintenance taken care of. And so don't be afraid to click on the link in the description for the portal that can take you to the easy way to get that special flight permit issued to you should you ever need it. All right, let's get ready to fire up, head on down south. All right, we're in Palatka here at Warren's shop, and he's going to be taking care of the annual on this thing. He's been working on lots of different airplanes, including this one, and was one of the gentlemen, was actually the gentleman who's responsible for making sure that the paint on this aircraft got certified. So keep bringing it to Warren because he's going to find things and take care of them that your airplane needs. Thanks for coming along on the trip. It's a lot of fun. All right, so we made it to the shop here in Palatka, and there's a lot of really cool airplanes sitting around here getting worked on. Paint booth is busy doing a couple different repairs and retouches on things. There's a Pitts in here, a Game Bird. We got looks like a Glass Air of some kind, another Pitts. A lot of great airplanes. So if you need something worked on, 28 Juliet, Warren Cilliers shop. It's a good place to go. Hey, thanks for watching. Take care and fly safe.